Hey, off-grid outlaws. And yeah, today's laundry day. And today we're going to use the Base Camp outdoor system washing machine. It is a small, personal, portable washing machine that runs off a 110. Does take about 250 watts to run this. So if you have a smaller inverter attached to your vehicle, like you probably have to start it and keep it running and you'll be good to go. Smaller solar system, you might not be, but I do have, you know, a medium-sized system, so I am able to do it. Now this is the third time I've shot this. Each time I've forgotten something that I wanted to actually have in there, so my clothes are filthy, so I get to run it through again. Third time, that is. So yeah, I will have a link below if you'd like to get one of these yourself. It is an affiliate link, but hashtag not sponsored. So yeah, I have figured out that about 4 gallons is roughly the amount of water to put in here. What you want to make sure of is that you're not filling it up above this drain tube over here, because if you do, it's just going to spill out and make a mess. So I already have some clothes in there. Oh, before I forget, I am going to take a bit of water over here, because I'm gonna mix my detergent mix over here before pouring it in there. And what I like to clean my laundry with is distilled vinegar. It's real good for making sure that you don't get soap residue buildup, especially inside the plumbing and stuff like that. And considering that this is smaller, you know, everything's a lot smaller, probably don't want stuff to clog up. So I'm going to take about a half a cup of distilled vinegar. Add this to the water, as well as I'm going to use a tablespoon of this borax. Hashtag not sponsored. Whoop. Give that a good stir. This way it doesn't get all clumped up on one area inside of there and maybe get all of it on one, and then just give it kind of a swirl around. And I'm going to turn this to the washing setting. It's already on there. Let's move that forward a little bit, and let's give it a 9-minute wash, shall we? You can go as high as 15 minutes. But yeah, 9 minutes is suggested for cotton t-shirts and whatnot. Although I've already got 18 minutes into this load here. Maybe I could have went to 15. Anyways, let's just do 9, shall we? Give you a peek inside of there. When 9 minutes are up, it's time to drain this and get all the goopy water out. All right, now that we've emptied out all the dirty water, what we're going to do is put in a thing of just water and keep it on the same washing setting and run that for 9 minutes. Try to use a little less water. And yeah, let's get that set for 9 minutes. All right, now that we've done the spin cycle or rinse cycle, time to drain that. All right, now that we've done the rinse cycle and emptied out that, now we're going to do a spin cycle, and that's what this little handy basket's for. It's also probably a pretty good measurement of how much clothes you should be washing. If you can fit it inside this basket, it's good to go. And I did give these a good wring out while the stuff was draining. That way, you know, you get as much as possible out of there. And then you throw this lid on it. It drops down inside of there. Kind of help hold the clothes in place. Then I guess you take the basket handle, drop it down inside of there, get it centered on things properly. Come on. There we go. Give it a click one way or another. All right. So that. Now, this is going to be a lot more wobbly and stuff like that. So I'm going to put it on the ground. But you take the on off or on wash, and then there's a spin cycle thing that you set it on. And then you do this for no more than 3 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna put that down on the ground and get it started for 3 minutes. All right. Yeah, like I said, definitely saw water come out of this thing. There we go. Let's see how dry this stuff got. Not too horrible, you know. Put this up on the line. And, you know, here's a cotton one, and it's pretty dry. Actually, you know, for this type of weather, probably a nice evaporative cooling temperature to wear. However, I am going to let it hang out and dry outside for a minute. And yeah, so that is the Base Camp Outdoor Systems washing machine. If you'd like to get yourself one, go ahead and click that link below. It is an affiliate link. Anyways, yeah, that's going to do it for me. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz.